just haven't seen it.
Day 42. There's been a lot that we've been doing. It's just been time consuming. We finally covered up these. We finally covered up these shock towers, and now we're just getting ready, everything ready, so that we can go ahead and primer this and get it ready for paint. So yeah, it's just we've been covering up a lot of the little holes that we don't need. So you can see all those welds, just all the stuff that doesn't need to be there. We just want it to be smooth. So that is going to be covered by a plate with the new AC system. Yeah, so we're just, like I said, just covering everything. We started to flare the fenders, and it didn't look right. So I have a video of that if you guys want to see that. Just mention in the comments, but. Day 43. So we just finished primering everything. What we did is we just finished filling all the little holes, welding, then putting body filler, smoothing everything out. Then after that, we finally got it in primer. So it looks really nice to see it all in primer. It looks super good, I think. I'm really excited that this part is done. But yeah, I mean, obviously there's still a lot to do. We still have to take all that and sand it, paint it black. That's gonna be black. So this is gonna be body color down to right here where the frame rail is. Body color all the way up and wrapped around. So yeah, everything looks really good. I'm really excited. So Joe does good work. Look at that. So anyway, that's the end of day 43. This is the first coat after doing it on the new base coat that we did. We ended up doing a Orion Silver base coat, and now it really pops, man. So this is actually a lot better than what it looked like before. So this is just the first coat of candy. One more coat. We got 4 more coats. So it's gonna look really deep, but look at that, man. Woo. Man, that looks good. Look at all the dark spots, and then you get, depending on where the light hits it, this is gonna look awesome. This is the second coat. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it definitely started to get darker. So you can see a lot more of that depth in that color. Looks awesome, man. Okay, so this is after putting 5 coats of the candy brandy wine over the Orion Silver. And then also, we just did our first coat of clear. Look at how much darker it got. But if you were to see it in person, holy moly, it looks amazing. Like look at the light. Look at the way it looks in the light. Man, that's amazing. So after a couple hours of washing the engine, we're starting to do a little bit of the assembly. We're almost done for today, but tomorrow we'll do a lot more. We just put the main bearings on, and now we're gonna put the crankshaft. Okay, so now after we check the oil clearance, right?
The main bearing oil clearance.
Yeah. We checked that, then we went ahead and put the, well, the crankshaft was obviously in, but we went ahead and put this main cap girdle, and now this is set. And look at, Joe's rotating it, and look at that, everything's moving really nicely. So that's good. I mean, it's a brand new crank, so it's consistent. So everything looks good so far. So we've been test fitting everything. We're ready to final assemble. We just put this on just to see what it looks like, and man, I'm just like Joe says, if we can make it run as good as it looks, we got it made. I mean, it looks so good. I think we still got to paint the block too. The block is gonna be black, so it's really gonna match these valve covers. But yeah, so we had to do some adjustments to the oil pan. It didn't quite fit with the girdle, but we made it work. And then also the oil pump. We had to grind some off of that because it was hitting a bolt from the girdle, and then the oil pickup tube. Thank you. The oil pickup tube also had to be adjusted, and I have pictures of that. So we had to cut the bracket that holds it, and then re-weld it. So anyway, this is where we're at so far. We still have to degree the cam. Okay, so today we cleaned the block and we painted it, which takes forever because we have to go through all the steps of primering it, you know, waiting and letting everything cure, putting the black and then the clear. So how many, I mean, we've been here all day. So anyway, but yeah, so now it's painted black. It's so awesome. It's like I said before, it's really gonna match those valve covers. I mean, right here, you can't even see, look how black it is. I mean, I know there's not tons of light in here, but anyway, it's still, oh man, it's gonna be awesome. And then we're gonna get a new timing cover, and we'll repaint that. But yeah, so that's painted, and this is gonna be good too because it absorbs the heat better, right? Yeah. So
Dissipate heat.
or it dissipates heat better. So yeah, it's gonna be an awesome engine. Anyway, that's the end of today.
Just haven't seen it.